Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back like this. Now rotate it after that. Now we will take another section of the hairs, tie it on the back and then rotate it again as shown in the video. After that we will tie all the hairs together, divide it into two parts and roll the hairs. Fold it upward to make a bun. Tie the bun very tightly and fix it properly using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Pull out the hairs from the top like this. After that, we will divide the hairs into two parts, tie it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating it, pull out the hairs from the sides as well. Now fix them into each other. Then we will fix them on the top. Fix it using a rubber band. Now tie the hairs from the down side, rotate it upward and fix it over the bun. Set the rest of the hairs from the sides as well and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide them into two parts and roll them together like this. Fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it using the bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides on the back like this and then rotate it. Tie it from the bottom as well. Rotate it and then fix it on the top in a heart shape. After that, we will tie all the hairs together. Fix it from the between. Now tie it and rotate it upward and fix it around the heart shape. Make a bun. Fix rest of the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it as shown in the video. Tie all the hairs together, tie it from the bottom as well, fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it using the hairpins, tie it and fix it properly and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.